This is the Anthony's Heavy Cream Powder. It is gluten-free, made in the USA, and it comes in a 1 pound resealable bag. You can see right here, and it is very powdery. I like to use light cream or heavy cream in my coffee, and I was looking for something that I could just make on my own at home instead of having to purchase it each time from the store, and something that will last me a long time. So we're looking at 45 calories per serving, and that's a tablespoon. My favorite part of this is that the carbohydrates are less than 1 gram. There's 0 fiber and less than 1 gram of sugar in each serving. That's fantastic for me. The way you make it, there's a couple different ways you can do it. If you wanted to make heavy cream, you can use a 1/2 cup of this stuff. I'm just gonna eyeball it to a cup of water, just like that, and mix it up and let it sit in the fridge overnight for heavy cream. If you want to use it for coffee, just do basically the same thing, and you can mix it up in water before you put it in your coffee. I use one of these little mixing things right here, and it works great. It does have kind of a unique taste to it, but you can see it's already starting to foam up there. Pretty awesome. There it is.